Hey everyone, today's look is going to be one of my everyday looks. This is a very easy smoky eye to achieve. The white and the gray is very subtle, and the colors are also very cohesive. I love to match this look with many different outfits. To start off with my face, so for primer, I'm taking the Pretty Fitter Icy Sherbet Primer. This is a silicone-free and cooling primer. I just love the way this feels on my face before I put on my makeup. The brand of this primer is Touch and Soul. This came in one of my Ipsy bags a few months ago. This primer gives a very nice cooling and refreshing feeling. For my face glow, I'm taking the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I love the glow that this leaves on my face all day. It's really perfect for summer. I'm going to blend this out with my Beau Gachis Concealer Perfecting Brush. The angle of this brush is perfect for blending in foundation, concealers, or glowy tints like this one. Finally, to start the eyes, I'm going to be taking my M2U NYC eye primer to get our eyelids ready for the shadows. Just blending that out with my finger. Now for the star part of the look, we're diving into the Avani Gregg palette by Morphe. In the first shade we're going to put all over the lid is the white shade called Lil Papavoni. And I'm just going to blend this all out on both eyelids with my Anmor professional eye brush. Cleaning the brush in between with my sponge eraser. Now going back into the palette, we'll be taking the gray shade. The shade is called Bruh. And we're just going to blend this on the inner part of the eyelid into the white, creating that nice smoky look. I'm going back into the color a few times so I can deepen it as much as I want. Now to make this a more everyday look, you can use a black eyeliner, but I'm choosing to use a color, so I'm doing blue, and I'm taking the Wet n Wild On Edge Longwearing eye pencil in Sapphire and Ice. I'm just applying this to the waterline and lower lash line. For mascara, you know it. I'm taking my favorite Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce in Blackest Black, and I'm just gonna coat my lashes. I like to finish my look with my blush. I'm taking this liquid blush I got on Amazon, Kimuse, I believe that's how you say it, in the shade Mystery. And I'm just going to put this on the apples of my cheeks and blend it in with my 046 rtxvl brush. I just love this pink shade and this liquid blush. I've never tried a liquid blush and I really loved it. And that completes today's look. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and comment before you go. Bye.